We're going to learn about flex markers, how to create them, and how to use them in the music. So what is a flex marker? It's similar to a warp marker in Ableton. And basically what it does is it creates a transition point in the audio form to let you stretch or contract an audio. So just to show an example. So this line, if I wanted to move its position in the audio, I could speed it up. That was speeding it up. Or I could make it go slower. And that's what a flex marker basically does. It helps you to shift parts of the audio into different segments of time. So to turn on flex editing, you can do that with this button over here. That will just turn on the flex editing mode. And if you go into your audio editor, my key command is W. You can turn on the flex mode over here, turn it on there like that. There's also a key command that you can use to turn on the flex editor. I think mine used to be something like F or option F or something like that, and then I've changed it now to command F. So if you just go into your key commands and you search for show hide flex pitch time, you can learn how to access that. So mine's command F, so I can turn it on and off by pressing command F. So see that? So it's quite a useful key command. So one thing about creating flex markers, if your mouse is in the top half, you can create a single flex marker. And if you see the image to be like it is now, that means I'm on an existing flex marker. And if I click, it's going to on that flex marker. If I'm off the side, I can create a flex marker from scratch. So from this position, I can create my own flex marker. Double click to get rid of the flex marker. If you go in the bottom half, it creates 3 flex markers. Okay, one from the nearest point to the nearest flex marker here. So if I click here, there's one already there, and it's created one at the next flex marker over here. This allows me to stretch audio without affecting, say, everything that was over here if there was no flex markers there. So just for example, if I create one and I stretch it like that, right, and say I didn't want that to change, then the better way to have done that would have been to create 3 and then just stretch that to wherever I wanted that to be. So same thing, if you go here, you see the flex markers icon has changed. If I click 3 here, it will be on the flex marker.